Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to Son Tra or Mike Beach here. Mike Beach. We're not gonna continue here on the beach. We will go here to the left and take a stroll through the Son Tra neighborhood here and see what's have changed over there. Look at this. They are constructing a beautiful pavement. Immaculate. Go pavements! I definitely check it out whenever it's done. But I don't know what they're doing now at the moment here. They ripped open the whole street, but I think it's for the better. They will do something with it. And yeah, they're working inside this building. Not sure when this will be done. See the nice taxi cars here, the electric cars. I like those. But I really miss the big ones. So Xanes M had a very good offer when they just started it with the VF8s, the Jeep. They had that as a luxury car in the app. So you had a beautiful ride for just a little bit more. It's almost like a Uber Black or something. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna go in the Q Mark now and buy some to drink. Very thirsty. You can also get all kinds of Hawaii shirts here. And Crocs, shout out to Marcus. And hats. Hats are very important. Even a Louis Vuitton hat you can get here. Whew. You can also get some fruit, freshly cut fruit. So we're gonna take this here. It is so overpriced here. It's 28. Almost $1. I could actually get the same price for a whole coconut, but I'm not in the area of a coconut right now. Let's just get that. So actually the normal price is like 22 or something. It was 22 or 20 before. Okay guys, we made it. Hydrated in one sip. Nice. Yeah. I definitely need electrolytes again. Electrolytes. Whew. I'm out of all my electrolytes, I think. But I think Francois from Canada will bring me some. So this street here is very popular to live, and lots of good restaurants here as well. One of my favorite northern dish restaurant, rice dishes, is over here too. And it's definitely also on my Google Maps guide, guys. I had few restaurants I tried out here. Also very famous ones, but to be honest, some of those restaurants with 5,000 reviews, positive reviews, it's just, nah, it ain't it, man. I think they are world champions here in faking Google reviews. Look at this building. What is this, hotel or residence? This could be also, you could live here maybe, residences. It is a very busy street though. But what I like, they have some nice sidewalks here. They have a rule here even, look at this. A nice little yellow line, what they are breaking. It reminds me a little bit on Nha Trang. Nha Trang was a little bit more structured with the sidewalks. They always had some lines and everything, and no one can go over it, so people always can walk, what is very nice. It is a little bit like that here in Son Tra, but because they have just more space, you know. I think this area was a tourist area before already. And the Mian beach or the Antung area, I think they just built this like 10 years ago or something. Or made it what it is now. I remember one of my viewers owns a house right in the middle of Antung. And he said when he moved there and built and have the house, I don't know if he built it, I think he built the house. He said there were no hotels around me. And now, yeah, was a good investment, I would say. can buy some snacks over here and some flip-flops on the motorbike. Lots of spas here as well. There's a very nice looking restaurant here on the left. I've been in there, but it was closed, so pink salt. Very stylish. So I have not tried if it's good or not, but it looks good inside. I think they're only open in the evening. Oh wow, what is this? Green future. I just talked about it, guys. Look at this. This is the VF3, VF8. Maybe we have a new player in the game. Okay, so what are we doing here? How do we download the app? Is there English? Doesn't look like it. No English button, guys. Oh, look at this. They have even a VF3 here. Okay, you know what? I will check it out for you guys. Maybe it's an option. Because I wouldn't mind paying $1-2 more and getting around with that car. Because sometimes those Grab cars smell so bad. It's so nasty. I'd rather take those Son SMs, to be honest. If you take Grab every day or like many times, you will already get some bad experience too. Then the AC is not on, it smells bad, and my God. I did crazy to me. Yeah, so Son SM is always clean and cold. And it just feels a little bit better than Grab. So if this is an option, I'll take it. GF, Green Future. Or girlfriend. So this is one of my favorite rice places. Gum Navui. Beautiful. What I can definitely, everyone, German, American, everyone abroad here, they love those rice rolls. Or they call it pho rolls. They also have banseo. I have not eaten that yet. I usually eat something with rice and then mamtep and nice stewed pork or beef. Yeah, they have many beautiful things. Also the greens, the water spinach, beautiful, very nice. Hair shampoo, tea spa. Hello. Thank you. Yeah, you have a lot of hotels here as well, guys. This is also a very touristy area, but I think it's also touristy for all. More of an Asian crowd, I believe. So you have way more spas here. Actually, you know what? I take it back. Antung 1, Antung 2, 3, 4. There's so many spas there as well. I feel like a spa. I'm not sure why they're opening up so many spas. What do you guys think? I think the spas is just a nice way to get a long-term visa by investment. Same goes with the convenience stores. I think it's just a visa thing. Everyone knows, okay, the convenience stores make their money slowly back, but it's just an investment thing, I think. I think you can get some packages and get your long-term visa like that, investing more than 120K, etc. No, thank you. What is this? Grain spa. Is this just a spa, not a hotel? Huh. This looks very nice, yeah. It's a hotel, Tasmania. We have AC. Interesting. What do they have? Egg and sausage for 45K. Ooh, bacon and eggs. English breakfast for 99,000 dong. All my Brits and my Aussies. Please try it and let me know. I might try it myself. Maybe, you know what? I will bring Sunshine Bloke there. David, Aussie David, I will bring here and he will tell me if it's good or not. Because I feel Aussie David is built out of English breakfast and beer. This is also a very nice area to be. And if you stay here, you are not that far away from the Antung area either. You just have to walk this street here all the way through. And then I think 15 minutes and you're there. Okay guys, that's a short one. I'm gonna go back and go in the AC. It's enough, I need to electrolyte. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video and see you in the next one.